Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today's video are my 5 secrets to holiday cleanup. So whether you're not feeling very motivated or just all that extra mess is overwhelming you around the house, these are some of my favorite tips with some new ones sprinkled in. So let's clean together. I've got tons of motivation for you guys today. Before we get started with the tips, I want to give a big thank you to Life Cuisine for sponsoring this video. I've eaten lean cuisine for years now and partnered with them several times because they're so good. And you may have seen they have a brand new line called Life Cuisine with tons of options to fit my low-carb lifestyle. The portion sizes leave me feeling satisfied and they're filled with nutritious ingredients. One of my favorites is the Meat Lovers Cauliflower Pizza Bowl. It's a staple in our house. These turkey bacon and aged white cheddar egg bites are another high protein favorite I always have on hand. And I love that they totally fit the mission here and don't break the budget. All right, let's get to cleaning. Loving me was all you tried when you were around. First, simplify your storage. These tricks have been a game changer at our house, lots from the dollar store. Now, I used to store all of my holiday decor in big totes, but I found they were really cumbersome to get in and out, and things would just get lost inside. So this year, we switched over to fabric bag storage. Now, these bags are traditionally used for sheets, but they fit garlands so well, and I keep the extras in gallon baggies. When I disassemble my tree, I put everything into piles on the counter, and then I stick all of these in giant XXL bags from the dollar store. These are one of my favorite products in the organizing section. It's so easy because you can see everything. Looking for a new start. Over the years, I've found limiting my holiday storage keeps it manageable to take out and put away, and once I have too many things, I donate what I'm not using. It really helps keep me in check, and I've found this system is such a lighter way to move things around. For my Christmas trees, and you guys know I have several, I get one 9-foot Christmas tree storage bag, and I found I can fit 3 medium-sized trees inside. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you like to store your trees. Do you disassemble them? Do you leave them standing? What's your favorite method? Some of the more fragile items I wrap in Dollar Tree bubble wrap to keep them protected. So this is all of the Christmas decor that I own. I just love how small and light they are and being able to see inside, and everything is categorized in smaller bags within, so this will be really easy to put up next year. Up next is a quick declutter and donate and some Dollar Tree tricks for you guys. When I'm donating, I like to focus on small spaces and progress over perfection, POP. I think Kimmy from She's in Her Apron is the first person I heard say that, and I love it so much because it's actually sustainable. When you work in really small chunks and manageable situations, it's really easy to get rid of stuff. Every year we always donate decor we're no longer using and old toys that the kids no longer play with to someone who can use them. Looking for a new start. I like to declutter the same spots at the same time every year. For us, it's the front coat closet. We keep some holiday decor in there, and this is a great time to donate those items to people who could really use them. And there's lots of organizations that just take coats and hats. It clears out the space for some of these awesome organizing tricks. If you haven't tried this, get a suit jacket cover, just one of the plastic ones, and use it to store your wrapping paper. You could store holiday wrap, birthday wrap. It's really low profile for small spaces. Another great trick is to take S-hooks from the dollar store and some more of those suit covers, and you can stick them right inside your closet. I think this next hack is my favorite of the video, especially if you're storing holiday items or putting those things back, having good lighting in your space. The dollar store sells amazing LED puck lights. These are really easy to change the batteries out on. You just stick them on the inside of your closet or whatever storage space, and you won't regret it. Next is the cleaning phase, and I've got tons of tips for you here. I honestly think this is one of my favorite parts of the process though, because this is the perfect time to dust without regard. Just throw everything on the floor because it's really dirty anyway. Up next are some all-new dollar store tips. I recently picked up this stand-up dustpan, and I'm really liking it. It's super convenient to use. And in a recent video, I showed you guys some of their new microfiber cloths. If you use a rubber band, you can stick this around the end of your broom with a little bit of dusting spray. This is a great way to clean baseboards. And they also have a new mopping system at the dollar store. You can use the wet wipes right on this mop. You just piecemeal it together right in store. So this only cost me $3. But my favorite one is the fluffy extension. And these go on with Velcro. And for just $3, I have a push broom that's awesome for getting all of those larger items up off the floor, so it makes vacuuming really easy. And I wanted to throw this in there too because we do it every year when cleaning and putting all of these things away. I think of my intention word for the coming year, the one word that I want to live by for 2021. And this year I decided to pick up some frames from the dollar store and actually print these out. Once I chose my word, I went on to a free site that already had some design templates in there to pop it in there so I could have these on display. The word I chose this year is freedom, the freedom of letting go and living lighter. Charlie chose commitment, Carson chose focus, and Owen chose
ketchup.
You'll have to ask your family and tell me what they say in the comments down below. Sometimes the things the little kids pick are oddly the wisest. I wish nothing but goodness, light living, and healthiness for 2021. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below. I can't wait to see you in the new year.
Star.
He's like